Alright. Renee will be on Amazon as soon as you get out here on that. Good. Okay, slide down this way about an inch right there. And put both arms straight out to the sides. Yes, ma'am. So I'm going to adjust your AC joints, your sternoclavicular joints, and then your anterior costosternal joints. You said you had a lot of stress in your upper thoracic spine as well. This is probably because your ribs are subluxated with the thoracic spine and the sternum. Go ahead and relax your leg in my hand. There you go. And you should have felt that from your knee all the way up in your lower back.
That was great. I liked it.
Good. That girl. All righty. Okay, let's sit you up now. Face your fiance. There we go. Ooh, boy. Lots of crepitus in this shoulder here. There you go. Good. Ooh, this one too. Boy, yours and Renee's shoulders got quite a bit of life.
For sure.
Now, Lice likes to adjust her own cervical spine, so she's a little hypermobile there. So we're going to take it really easy on her when we do her manual neurospinal decompression. Looky there. Mm-hmm. Beautiful ring.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay.
Did good.
All right. Bye.